Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Wix blog for indexing and mobile SEO step by step clearly. To update your Wix blog for indexing and mobile SEO, begin by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Select the blog section from the left-hand menu. Open the specific blog post you want to update. Check the title of your blog post. Ensure that it includes relevant keywords. Next, scroll down to the SEO settings. Update the meta description to include keywords. Make sure the description is engaging and concise. Now, focus on the images in your blog post. Add alt text to each image that describes its content. Ensure the alt text includes relevant keywords where appropriate. After that, check the formatting of your blog post. Use headings and subheadings to break up the text. This makes your content easier to read on mobile devices. Next, look at your internal linking strategy. Add links to related blog posts within your content. This helps improve site navigation and SEO. Now, it's time to check your blog's mobile view. Click on the mobile icon to switch to mobile view. Ensure the layout looks clean and professional. Make adjustments to font size and spacing for mobile usability. After your adjustments, preview the changes. If everything looks good, save your updates. Finally, submit your updated blog post for indexing with Google. Go to Google Search Console and select URL Inspection. Enter the URL of your updated blog post and click Enter. Once the inspection is complete, click Request Indexing. Your updates will now be considered for Google's search index. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.